Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. The following question was asked in GATE DA 2024. The question is as follows: evaluate the following limit, and the limit is given. So I need to solve it using L hospital rule, and using L hospital rule, you know that the rule states that any limit x to c over the function fx equal to limit x to any c gx equal to 0 or plus minus infinity, and g dash x does not equal to 0 near c, then if it is the case, then limit of x derived to c f of x derived by f of x divided by g of x equal to limit of x to c f dash x divided by g dash x, right? This is the thing. This rule you should have to know before solving this question. Now let's find the derivative of the numerator and denominator. So let's do it. F of x equal to ln x square plus 1 into cos of x, and if I'm going to figure out the derivative, I'm going to get 1 divided by x square plus 1 into cos x into x square plus 1 dash dot cos x plus x square plus 1 as a constant and cos x dash, right? Just L hospital rule we are using. And if I'm going to proceed ahead with this equation, I am going to get 1 by x square plus 1 into cos x into uh, 2x into cos x minus x square plus 1 into sin x. Fine. Now, g of x equal to x square. G of x equal to what? X square. So we have taken this as fx. This is our gx. So I have solved the f dash x corresponding to fx. Now let's solve in the corresponding of gx. So directly I can write g dash x equal to g dash x equal to 2x. Fine. Now let's find the limit. Let's find limit x tend to 0 f dash x divided by g dash x. If I am going to find this limit, then 1 by, you know that limit already I am putting x to 0, 1 by x square plus 1 into cos x, whatever we are deriving here, I am going to use it itself. Whatever we have derived in this particular part, I am going to use this. So I am using this here, right? Nothing else. So if I am going to use it, x tends to 0, x square plus 1 into cos x into, in the numerator I am writing this 2x into cos x minus x square plus 1 into sin x divide by 2x. Fine. Now if you are going to solve it, then limit x tends to 0, 2x into cos of x minus x square plus 1 into sin x divide by 2x into x square plus 1 into cos of x. Fine. Now, using the, we are applying the L hospital rule again on this equation. So if I am going to use the L hospital rule again, right, L hospital rule again on this equation, then I can consider this as a fx, I can consider this as a gx, and we can follow this particular rule, right? So using this equation again on this particular part, which you know that it should be followed. So if it is obeyed, then I can say that yes, I can go to this, right? So we are following this now. Let's try to solve. So you can just make sure that you should know the Al hospital rule very well before solving this, so that question will be very much clear to you. Fine. Now, limit x tends to 0, 2 cos x into 2x into sin x minus 2x into sin x minus x square plus 1 into cos of x divide by 2 into x square plus 1 into cos x minus 4x square into sin x. Fine. And if I'm going to compute it, limit x tends to 0, 2 cos x minus 4x into sin x, just L'Hospital rule, nothing else. X square plus 1 into cos of x divide by 2 cos x minus 4x square into sin x. And if I further compute it to the next part, then I just need to substitute x directly to this. So if I am going to just substitute the limit 2 cos 0 minus 4 into 0 sin 0 minus 0 square plus 1 into cos of 0 divide by 2 into cos of 0 minus 4 into 0 square into sine of 0 equal to 2 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 into 1 divide by 2 into 1 minus 0 equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 1 by 2. So it is nothing but 0.5. So as per this particular, we are getting the answer 1 by 2 or 0.5, right? So we can answer it 0.5 or 1 by 2, right? So this was the solution for this gate question. I hope it is clear. Please do subscribe for more such solutions.